The 16 kp bed vacuum cleaner UVC 253.7 nanometer offers a powerful 600-watt motor that delivers 16 kilopascal suction, ensuring deep cleaning of mattresses and fabric layers. This vacuum cleaner uses advanced UVC technology with a 253.7 nanometer light and 40,000 hertz ultrasonic waves to effectively remove nearly all unseen substances from your bedding. Equipped with a multi-layer filtration system, it features a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of fine particles, ensuring that your home remains free of dust and allergens. For safety, the vacuum includes a locking rotor protection to prevent fabric entanglement and safeguards against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuiting. The vacuum's high-temperature drying capability, producing 145 degrees Fahrenheit dry air, efficiently eliminates moisture and odors, leaving your mattresses and sofas fresh and clean. This versatile handheld vacuum cleaner is designed to keep your sleeping environment healthier, thanks to its deep cleaning capabilities and safety features.